There are many mass transit systems in Hong Kong. For example, buses, railway, ferries, and tram. Although railways will not be affected by road conditions and will not produce air pollutants while running, the cost of constructing and maintaining a railway is high. Buses have a lower cost, but will contribute to air pollution and will be affected by traffic congestions. Ferry was an important form of transportation previously, but its importance diminished after the opening of Cross Harbour Tunnel. It is now mainly used for connecting the outlying islands. Trams had a long history in Hong Kong, over 100 years, and can only be found in Hong Kong Island. There are many advantages of using mass transit systems. In this video, they will be illustrated using a simple example. Suppose we are to transport 100 people from Sha Tin to Tsim Sha Tsui by bus and by private cars. How much oil would they consume separately? A normal private car consumes 0.075 liters of gasoline per kilometer. It takes around 12.4 kilometers from Sha Tin to Tsim Sha Tsui. So a private car would need 0.94 liters of gasoline. Assume each private car carries a driver and a passenger. It requires 50 private cars, 47 liters of gasoline. If a bus is used, one double-decker bus could carry all 100 people. It would consume 1.39 liters of diesel per kilometer, and so it would need 17.24 liters of diesel in total. From the consumption of fuel, we can estimate the energy needed. But due to the fact that the energy content per liter of gasoline and diesel is different, we might want to do one more step and calculate the energy needed by both vehicles. It can then be shown that buses could use less energy to bring the same number of passengers to a destination. This is one of the advantages of using mass transportation, because it gives better energy efficiency. Using figures from above, we can also calculate the fuel cost and carbon dioxide emission of both types of vehicles, and find that buses have a lower fuel cost and emit less carbon dioxide. Other considerations include the road space occupied. 50 private cars occupy a much larger area than a bus, which could lead to traffic congestions. To relieve the traffic pressure, especially in a crowded city like Hong Kong, it is recommended to use public transportation. On the other hand, buses may not always be more efficient when there are too few passengers or when there are too many stops.